When one woman dares to dream, change becomes inevitable. Founded by Dr. Rachna Bhimrajka, the Uni Global Intellectual Foundation began with a bold vision. A vision inspired by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji to ensure that every child, no matter where they are, receives equal access to quality education. Rooted in Sustainable Development Goal 4 and aligned with India's National Education Policy 2020, our mission is clear: to build an education system that is inclusive, skill based, and future ready. At UniGIF, we don't just talk about education, we transform it. We've connected educators from across the globe to create powerful, purpose driven educational summits. From Delhi to Srinagar and far beyond, we've brought together edu leaders, change makers, and passionate voices on one platform to share, collaborate, and build a future of meaningful learning. We've organized impactful webinars, trained educators, and worked with students at the grassroots to develop real world skills: reading, writing, numeracy, and beyond. Our focus lies in foundational learning, 21st century life skills, and vocational exposure. Because today's students must be prepared not just for exams but for life. Through NEP aligned programs, we nurture creativity, communication, and critical thinking from the earliest years, shaping curious minds into capable leaders. But our work doesn't stop at academics. We've empowered women through skill development, promoted menstrual hygiene awareness, and led community change. Our campaign, My Voice, My Future, united young girls from 6 continents. And to the world's surprise, we didn't just create awareness, we created history. 2 world records, one global voice, a future rewritten by girls who dared to speak. And for the planet that sustains us, we drew inspiration from an initiative close to our hearts, Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam, launched by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Inspired by his vision, UniGIF embraced this heartfelt movement, planting thousands of trees in the name of our mothers, our first nurturers, and Mother Earth, our eternal life giver. This environmental effort supports Sustainable Development Goal 13, Climate Action, and SDG 15, Life on Land. It is our tribute to those who gave us life and our responsibility to protect the life around us. Each tree stands as a symbol of love, memory, and sustainability, rooted in respect, growing in gratitude, and blooming into a better tomorrow. Every summit, every child reached, every skill built, every voice empowered, every tree planted. It all speaks to one unshakable belief: that when education, equity, and sustainability come together, societies rise. This Maharashtra Ratna Samman is not just a recognition. It is a reaffirmation of our purpose, our path, and our promise to the nation. We are UniGIF, founded by vision, guided by SDG 4, empowered by NEP 2020, and united for a world where no child is left behind.